Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer event data with segment to Mixpanel. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start transferring event data from segment to Mixpanel, make sure you have a segment account. Log into your segment account and navigate to the Sources tab. Select the source that you want to send event data from. In the source settings, locate the Destinations section. Click on Add Destination to open the list of available destinations. Search for Mixpanel in the destination options and select it. Follow the prompts to connect your Mixpanel account. You may need to provide your Mixpanel project token during this setup. Once connected, configure the destination settings based on your requirements. Decide whether to send all events or only specific events to Mixpanel. If you choose to send specific events, define the events you wish to track. After configuring the settings, save the changes. Next, you will need to set up event tracking in your application. If you're using JavaScript, insert the segment tracking snippet into your application code. Make sure to import the segment analytics library into your codebase. Track events using the analytics.track method provided by segment. Pass in the event name and properties that you wish to send. For example, you can use analytics.track, event name, property 1, value 1, property 2, value 2. After implementing the tracking code, test the integration to ensure data is flowing correctly. Go to your Mixpanel account and check the Events section for incoming data. You should begin to see the events you've set up being recorded in Mixpanel. If you encounter any issues, check the Segment Debug tool for error messages. Once you confirm that the data is being tracked successfully, your setup is complete. Now you can start analyzing your event data in Mixpanel to gain valuable insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.